If the blinker on your car is suddenly blinking faster than normal, this could indicate that there is an issue with the turning indicators on your vehicle. If your blinker is blinking fast, this means that one of the blinkers on your car is out or not working at all. Another term for this can be called hyperblink, which is basically what happens when either your front or rear blinker lights have stopped working. The first thing you will notice is a change in sound coming from your blinkers. How to fix a blinker that is blinking faster than normal? The best way to verify if your blinker has gone out is to turn on whatever turning signal is blinking faster than normal and take a look. Or have a friend take a look at both the front and back of the car, all while checking to see if your blinkers are working properly. Once you have identified the blinker that is not working, you can then inspect for further damage. Most cars have headlights with turning signal bulbs that are easily accessible if the turning signal bulbs are still in good condition. This could indicate that there is another issue within the system and can be the result of a blown fuse, broken wire, or something else. We can take a look and fix these blinker problems within our free vehicle health inspections in most instances. We are located in Oceanside, California, 92058 and specialize in BMW, Audi, and Mini service.